have a piece of flat iron that will slide through the blue box, which again is protecting all of our locks in the handcuffs. And this flat iron will prevent her from moving her hands up or down or removing her hands from the box, keeping her from being able to move her wrists around. And she cannot pull out any way. The only holes in this plexiglass box, Your Honor, are for the hands and the way that she has inserted them in here. It appears that she is now struggling with just her left cuff. We are hoping that she will reveal to us in a moment exactly.
These are really kind of rudimentary cuffs, and even though this looks really fancy and
all right, well, let's continue so that you can get out. It is very important for our prosecution to see and our jury that the blue box prevents her from picking the lock because the lock is covered up by that blue box. Our officers put on the cuffs so tight that she cannot slip out of them, and the flat bar has it so that she is unable to move her hands up or down, but you are about to see.
Okay, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Watch closely.
All right.
This is really easy. Once I do this, you'll see how I do it.
All right, and Your Honor, we've hopefully, in exchange for lighter sentencing, learning how this is done. This will help our law enforcement have even better restraints for criminals like this.
My inspiration is just flowing.
Perfect. So again, for our jury to see, this flat iron that is restraining her from moving her hands up or down is padlocked on both sides, and this box is padlocked down to the platform with 4 padlocks. And very commonly used in law enforcement, the blue box is locking those cuffs on so that we cannot pick the lock through the traditional keyholes. The only thing that she is able to do is get her arm over and just barely touch. Oh, we've got some clicking going on. I'm listening. Is that it?
To make it go farther than you can ball. Every time I got no minute left with the slippage, cause I am something different. It's heat, yeah, and nutrition.
Your Honor, as you can see, it is a struggle for our defendant. However, you will find that these locks are completely inadequate to restrain our criminals as such. Watch. How quickly can you do the second one?
Really fast.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's see. Really fast as in seconds or really fast as in a couple minutes?
Seconds.
Seconds?
Yeah.
Looks like that one was a little, yeah? And there you have it, Your Honor, completely out of restraints that were supposed to be escape-proof for any criminal. And the secret